When using the shipping module with Webgility, it's useful to know what the shipping module does and how to use it most effectively. If you have access to the Webgility Desktop shipping module, you can process and print labels for individual orders or a number of selected orders with UPS, FedEx, or USPS with Stamps.com or Indicia Label Server. After you've connected your shipping processor using your credentials, you'll be able to set up shipping rules and rates depending on how you prefer it to be handled. Inside of the shipping module, you'll see the following. Order list. This is a list of orders that you've brought in for processing. You can search by order number if you brought in a large quantity of orders and need to change anything. The status on these orders will flow from unshipped to ready to ship, and finally to shipped when the label is printed. Single versus multiple packages. Here you can divide a single order into a multiple package shipment when needed. Addressee and shipper information. The addressee information is pulled from the order, while the sender information is your store location. Shipment details. This allows you to define how an order ships. These options can be pre-selected based on any automatic shipping rules you have set up. And lastly, additional carrier services. Once you've settled on a shipment carrier and a method, things like extra insurance, required signatures, or additional shipment notifications can be found here. At this point, you've heard me mention shipping rules a couple of times. That's because using shipping rules and automation can help make your shipping processing a breeze. To set up shipping rules, go to Integrations, Shipping, and Shipping Settings. And then make sure your shipping processor is set up. If you've already set a shipping processor up, you can go to Shipping Rules in the Shipping Settings area. Under Shipping Rules, you can set default processor settings for individual processors, or you can create custom shipping rules based on what's in the online order. You can name your rule, and then select the criteria for the rule to meet. Things like shipping method requested, item name, item count, and SKU are all very common here. Once you've decided on a criteria, you can decide what happens with the shipment. Select the carrier, services, dimensions, and all other relevant information for the shipment. This means that every time a customer places an order that meets the given criteria, it'll automatically default to this set of shipping options. There is one disclaimer, however. The automation will default to whichever rule it meets the criteria for first, so make sure you put your most uncommonly met rules towards the top. If you have any questions or need help setting this up, contact our support team or your implementation specialist. For more how-tos and walkthroughs, go to helpcenter.webgility.com. Thanks for watching.